Or is it on Golden State? Let's see. It's on Draymond Green. That's big. That's number 16, which means he's suspended for the next game. He is still barking at the official, Carl Lane. Now, unless that's rescinded by the league, he will not play in Atlanta Friday, and he's still going.
Yeah, you can't throw the ball at people.
Here's Curry, another one. Got another one. Back-to-back triples for Steph Curry. And now Draymond Green and Marcus Morris exchange words. DiVincenzo gets in the middle.
Again, let's see. A lot of these tussles start, you know, a couple plays before. Yeah, that's a foul on Morris.
So it's the second foul on Marcus Morris. They're going to see when it occurs.
You are opening up an opportunity for a